Hi guys, this is the Toy Junkie here. Although this is not a toy, this is something that I'm going to be using to help me get better pictures of the toys that I will be reviewing and unboxing. So I'm going to do a little unboxing and then reviewing of the Selfie Store hashtag blogger. So what this is a stick or a tripod. It's also got a little remote on the bottom which helps you to press the shutter without actually having to touch the phone, which keeps it a little bit more still. There's some sort of holder there, and well, we'll have a look in a moment, see what it's all about. So this is the packaging. It's actually made by a company called the Selfie Store, and it's called the Blogger Bundle. And it's also got a little magnifying glass inside, which actually magnifies your camera by up to 4 times. So let's open this and have a little look, see what it's like inside. Right, so we'll start with the actual thing that I actually bought it for, the reason why I bought it. So this is a fully movable tripod. I do actually have a tripod, but the tripod that I've got is actually one that I've used for probably about 20 or 30 years. I actually bought it when I first had a camcorder, so it's a proper camera or camcorder tripod, very, very sturdy, but I needed something that was a little bit smaller that I could get in a little bit closer. So this one looks absolutely ideal. It's very, very light. It's extremely light, but it moves in every direction. It's got little balls which move around, so you can move it into any direction there. It's got the screw at the top, which is handy for putting my webcam on, which I'm currently filming this video from actually at the moment. But I do use my phone as well occasionally, which is an Android phone. It's a Sony Z3 Compact. Okay, so that's what I normally use. So it looks really good. Get a little case. I presume this is for the lens that we've got here. So there's a little lens. Come on, get out. Which doesn't want to come out at all. And if it unscrews, I'll come back to that in a moment, but that obviously goes into there. Here we've got a remote, so I presume this has got some sort of Bluetooth device in it, which when you want to take the photo, rather than it moving every time you press the button like that, you can just press the button and it will remotely set off the shutter. That's good. We've got a clip here. I'm going to have a guess that fits into there. So yeah, that fits into there, and then obviously you can use that as a clip, so that's fine. There's a charger wire there with a micro USB, and it's also got a holder actually for your telephone as well. That's handy. I can use that on my big tripod too, because it's got a big screw there, so that's kind of cool. So all in all, it wasn't cheap. It was about £35, but it looks like it's actually quite good value for money. I was expecting that to be quite heavy, but it's actually not. It's as light as a feather, but it is really well built. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe, and see more videos, not about tripods, but about toys. Bye bye. As promised, I said I would come back later to explain about this bit, and I've actually managed to attach it to the clip that you get. And the idea is you clip it over the camera part of the telephone, and then what it does, it doesn't actually magnify, it actually widens the angle. Which means you can get in much closer. I still got a reasonable picture. So it's a wide angle lens rather than a magnification. So just to give you an idea what it looks like, actually, on the put it over the webcam. There you go. Everything looks a million miles away. So thanks for staying tuned and watching this little bit, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.